This week, Apple released the new MacBook Pro with the M5 Pro and M5 Max chips. These are the world's most powerful laptop chips ever made, and they are seriously impressive. And to most people, that just means batteries last longer and the screen looks nicer. But that's actually not the most interesting part, because what Apple actually did this week is make a serious move to take AI capability off the cloud. And that shift is going to reshape entire industries in ways that most business leaders aren't even thinking about yet. The AI industry has spent years obsessed with making large language models bigger and bigger, more parameters, which require more GPUs, and more data centers burning through electricity and water. Three big tech companies have doubled down on LLMs and told everyone that this technology is going to take over the world. Their hypothesis, and it is just a hypothesis, is that AI lives in the cloud, and you're going to need to get used to paying for tokens if you want access. Microsoft has even argued that governments should pay for this token factory infrastructure because they assume that cloud AI model is the only way that this can work. And Apple just made that assumption look very fragile. In October last year, Apple announced the M5 chip. This is the fifth iteration of the M series, which was the chip that Apple developed to move away from Intel. The M5 first appeared in the MacBook Pro and iPad Pro. Then just this week, it landed in the MacBook Air, one of the world's best-selling laptops. And later this year, the M5 Ultra is coming as well. And I'll get to that in a second because this is where things get really interesting. So why is the M5 chip such a game changer? Right now, running serious AI in your organization means renting it. And that's going to cost you somewhere around $5 per GPU hour. So here's what changes. A top-of-the-range M5 Ultra Max Studio is expected to arrive later this year. At a fully maxed out configuration costing about $10,000, the unit economics are extraordinary. If you amortize $10,000 over 3 years, that's $280 a month. And the possibilities this unlocks are significant. Every use case that was too expensive, too risky, or too slow for cloud AI now becomes possible. The cloud isn't going away, and for the very largest frontier models, you're still going to need it. But on a large and growing share of real business workloads, the economics now decisively favors bringing AI back on premise. The MacBook Pro announcement this week is significant because of what it tells us about what's coming.